was asked to write about Herba Farmacy, the first thought that sprang was pure energy, life force flowing through every leaf and stem, nature's own magic, a vibrant gem. It's more than a product, it's a sacred pact. Respect for the whole herb, that's a fact. Not just a piece, but the essence intact. It's the strength of the earth where healing is tracked. Oh, we bring the light, we bring the truth. In every bottle, in every drop, imbued with love, with care we create. For the highest healing we celebrate. Mass production leaves a shadow so cold, lifeless and hollow, an empty mold. But our products, oh, they dance and thrive, bursting with life, they're supremely alive. Each final blessing, a whisper of grace, healing for you and for the whole human race. Gratitude flows like a river so wide, connecting us deeply. We'll walk side by side. Oh, we bring the light, we bring the truth. In every bottle, in every drop, imbued with love, with care we create. For the highest healing we celebrate. Through the mind and body, spirit entwined, our mission is clear, with potential aligned. Prevention over cure, that's the aim we embrace. Detox specialist with the warm, loving grace. Free from the suffering, pain turns to light with every drop. We ignite the night. So come take a journey through nature's own heart. Rediscover the magic where healing can start. In every herb lies a story, a power untold. Let's open our minds and let the truth unfold. Embrace the vibrance, connect to your core. At Herba Farmacy, we're offering more. Join us on this path, let your spirit arise. With respect and honor, let your own life shine.